Hey guys, Mark here, and today I'll be giving you the lowdown on my favorite gear to travel with. Let's jump in. I just got back from a trip, so I figured now would be the best time to let you guys know what I bring with me on my travels. Without further ado, let's check out what's in my tech bag. Coming in at number 5 are my USB power banks. They're no longer an essential thing for me to carry around given the long battery life of my devices, but they're still very helpful from time to time to charge my phone, watch, or anything else that can be powered by USB. These are just generic power banks that I've picked up on trips, but if you want one that I'd recommend, go with Aki's power banks. They're cheap, small, and very well made. At number 4, we have my trusty Sennheiser HD280 Pros. I've had these for so many years now and they've never let me down. Yes, they're not wireless and they're not the most fancy looking headphones in the world, but they provide me with a very decent and clean sound on the go. They also have very good noise cancellation, which can be great during a long plane ride, and they fold away neatly to put into my airplane carry-on. Did I mention they're super cheap? Number 3 has to be my custom-built mini PC. I don't bring it on all trips, but if I think I need a little extra power for gaming or light video editing, I throw it and my little LG monitor into my suitcase and carry on. I've gotten a few questions and strange looks taking a giant black box through airport security, but generally have had very few issues. The mini PC is now rocking a Skylake i7, 8GB of RAM, and a GTX 980 for some gaming capability. It makes a great rig for LAN parties, and its compact size makes it an ideal travel PC. Number 2 is my Samsung Gear S3 Frontier. I've had a few smartwatches over the years, from a Moto 360 to a Huawei smartwatch, but none of them are as good as the Gear S3. I take this thing everywhere and even sleep with it on from time to time because it's so comfortable. While the OS that runs on it, Tizen 3, doesn't have the best selection of apps, the way the watch operates more than makes up for it. I love the rotating bezel, and using another watch without it is gonna seem like it's missing something huge. Finally, we come to number 1. My favorite tech gadget when I'm traveling is my Asus ZenBook. This is my go-to laptop here in 2018. It's small, light, and has just enough power for almost anything I'd want to do while I'm traveling. This particular model, the UX430UA, has an 8th gen i5 8250U, 8GB of RAM, and a 256GB SSD. No dedicated GPU though, which means very little gaming power. My favorite part about this laptop is just how compact it is. It's incredibly light, coming in at about 2 pounds despite its all-metal construction and very sturdy build quality. Not to mention, it's a beautiful looking laptop with an almost MacBook-esque appearance. Well done, Asus. Your ZenBook deserves a much more detailed review sometime in the near future. As a bonus, I also like to take this sleeve from Cambond with me to keep my ZenBook protected. They sent me this one for free, but you guys can get one for a very cheap price on their Amazon store. So that's my favorite tech gear to bring along when I'm traveling. What's yours? Let me know in a comment below and I'll do my best to get back to you. As always, all of the stuff I talked about today will be linked in the description below if you'd like to check it out further. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe to show your support, and if you didn't, let me know why in a comment below. I love hearing your feedback. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.